Welcome. This is our 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin. It's the only year it was called the Rambler Marlin. It has the 327 V8 with 270 horsepower. A pretty rare option from back in '65, and we're going to show you how it works and give it a little time to warm up, and you'll see a little road test video, and we'll be back to you with some better shots. This Marlin comes from one of our collectors down in Georgia, a big southern collection he has. This is a really good example, highly original example of the Marlin. Great power, American muscle, shifts very smoothly. Track straight, brake straight. Radio works.
Boston won in overtime on Wednesday.
Okay, we are up to operating temperatures. Give the 327 V8 a little shakedown. This thing really pulls. It's a really good example of the Marlin. Everything is well sorted, feels really well. Drive straight, track straight. Just coming up to our farm road, we can get on it a little bit.